Springboard REST Web API, which is another prerequisite for T4 track. I already completed. So let's get into it. It takes some time for loading the playground. So now it's connecting. I'm just doing it the full screen for coding. So it's opened. This is our project. We can just look at the problem statement. So this is our data. So the JSON file should be like this. Here SKU is a unique one, and we have to do the post, put, get and delete. So we can get into the coding part. So here I am using the VS Code rather than using the Spring Source tool suite, because if we use VS Code we can do the auto completion thing. Means if you are a beginner or need to do the code faster, it's better to use VS Code. I'm just going to the folder. So service, this is where we have to do all the logics and operations. Sorry, some network issue. So first of all we have to give all the annotations so that it will work properly, otherwise the test cases will fail. This is the use of VS Code. We have to just give first one or two letters, it will auto complete others. First we are going to do the post section. Here first we are doing the if condition. Means I already mentioned that SKU is a unique one. If we give once, it should not give anymore the ID. So based upon that we are checking if so there is an error. Just do this, create a method in the repository, that's it. So if you guys see this access by SKU means if the list have same SKU ID, then it should give the bad request. Then we have to do the data saving part using try catch. So that I am just initializing an object, new product, and getting all the data. Using the getters. Like this, give all the datas like name, description, vendor, price, stock, currency, image URL and SKU. So that's done. Next, we have to save the data. So that product repository dot save the new product. After that, return the created status. What's the issue here? Okay, I just put the curly braces in the wrong place. Okay, another one. Okay, return statement. Okay, the post product section done. Next, get product to display all the data, so that we're using the list. Find all is a property. Now again we are using the if condition to check whether the product is empty or not. If it's empty, means we have to return the bad request, else we have to display all those data. Okay, I just forgot the return there. Give the products inside. So the get product done. Next, get similar vendor. Same like before, we have to give the list and initialize a variable similar product. Here I am using the find by vendor method, which I have to create in the repository, so that I am just using this method. If similar vendor is empty, same like above, just return the bad request status. Again, okay, else we have to do the we have to display the data. Next is update. So here we are using the optional I'm using initializing another variable optional product. In the ID, based upon the ID only we have to get the product detail. If optional product is present, sorry, if it's not present, that's why I just put the exclamation at the first. We have to return but request. So in the try catch, we have to initialize another object. We have to create another object existing product. It should be get from the ID. So if you go through the test case means you can understand only price and stock should be updated, like condition is given. Just go through the test case. So after setting the updated name, we have to save the data to our list. At last return the success message. In catch, same like before, just return the bat request. Now the delete product by ID. So we have to get the ID. Based upon that, we have to delete. If that ID exists in product repository, if not exist, we have to display the bat request. Otherwise, we have to delete and send the success code. Using try catch, I am doing this. Delete by ID. So yeah, we have to return that. So one more important thing to do in this product service thing, I'll do it afterwards. After completing the product controller, Before that, just save the product repository also. We have created two methods there automatically, so just save that. After that, come to product controller. Same like before, just give annotations at controller and at auto wired. Then at the product post product, just give at request body to get the data from body. Then we have to return. We already set the product service, so product service dot post product. Then next post return post service dot get product. Next update products in that for that update int id for that at path variable. In the product we have to give at request body. Then delete product, same like before, just product service dot delete by id. Then in that int id for that at path variable, here at request param for get similar vendor. We are getting a parameter, that's why here product service dot get similar vendor. So another thing I told, give annotations here also, post product at request body. Then go down, update product, same like before, get similar vendor at request param. Path variable and request body. At path variable. So our code section is done. Now we can run this just using the terminal. CD desktop. I'm just maximizing the window. CD project, then just copying that file name, folder name. Okay, and ls, just running the install part, bash install.sh. So it's running. So it's running successfully. Now we can go for the test cases. So see, test success, 0 failures. So our code runs successfully. So this is the code for test case for verifications. So it's done. We have successfully completed this one. Now go for submit. So the part is completed. So this is in the Spring Boot section.